Hi, I'm Andrea Trank, and I want to tell you a little bit more about my journey from sickness to health. You see, I didn't even realize I was sick. I knew I was anxious most of my life, and I knew I had terrible gut issues most of my life. But I didn't put two and two together that this was an autoimmune disease. Either did the doctors until I was 50 years old. In fact, I went from doctor to doctor trying to figure out what was wrong with me. You may have heard similar stories or even have experienced this yourself, where a doctor can't quite pinpoint exactly the problem. So he or she might suggest it's all in your head. And then let's put you on an anti-anxiety medicine or an antidepressive medicine. Well, I tried one or two of them and actually felt worse. So I knew this was not a viable solution. Instead, I started exploring holistic ways to heal. And that's how I discovered yoga, mindfulness practices, lifestyle changes, and eventually the work that I now do with nervous system health. So, what I didn't realize is no matter what changes I made in my external world, like changing my diet, changing my supplements, adding in various exercise routines, changing my sleep patterns, changing my water system out. I changed my entire water system out. I was not going to heal unless I started investigating what was going on in my internal world, my heart, my brain, and my nervous system. So these days, when I'm working with clients, I actually start with that. We start exploring and assessing the state of the nervous system for healing and what is actually keeping the nervous system in a state of either fight or flight or possibly even shut down. And we start with tools that I have learned through certifying in 4 heart math trainings. So I'm a certified heart math trainer, certified coach, certified trauma-informed coach, and a certified stress and well-being assessment coach. We also use tools from the polyvagal system of safety, which explores the health of your nervous system. We also use mindfulness tools that I have learned through many trainings with Tara Brach, John Kabat-Zinn, and Jack Hornfield, as well as many others. And then there is my gentle somatic yoga training, where I have 2 certifications in, and I have certifications in the memory maintenance yoga, which helps figure out why our brain is aging, as well as restorative yoga. And then thousands of hours of training in yin and yoga anatomy and other forms of therapeutic styles of yoga. This is what I share with my clients because it has been so healing to me. And the other thing is despite all my qualifications, what you get when you work with me is my heart. One last interesting thing about me that I want to share. I'm a jewelry designer, and jewelry designing has always been a part of my healing. These days, I make malas and chakra jewelry that have stones that have a certain energy to them. So they're not only beautiful, but they're designed to be healing. And I encourage my clients to find some joy in creative activities and time in nature every day. So, are you ready to join me to age vibrantly, no matter what you're facing? There are many ways you can join me, including coming to my yoga classes twice a week, which are on Zoom, or you can follow me in social media and subscribe to my newsletter. I'm an avid blogger, and so I'm always writing about things that will help you. And really, what I'm most excited about is I am revamping my membership site to make it serve you better. So stay tuned for that. So this is Andrea. I want to offer you heart and say namaste, and I hope we get a chance to work together.